All right, we're going super ill-advised here on this Holy Stone Predator flight. First trip to the beach of the year. It is super windy, I don't know if you see that. So we got some high odds that I'm gonna lose this guy. But hey, let's do it, right? Let's go for it. I don't advise you do this at home though. So we're gonna plug in here. This guy is a pretty decent flyer in the wind. So maybe we'll be okay, I don't know. We'll see though. So we're bound, oh, we're upside down. Gave it too much throttle. So for sure I want to go up in the high rate there and let's see what happens. Into the wind, back with the wind. Oh, it did not like that wind at all. Did not like that wind at all. Did not like the wind at all. Yeah, I mean the Predator flies decent in the wind. Oh, we're in the rocks. It flies decent in the wind, but I would highly recommend, definitely don't fly. I wish I had my anemometer on me. I'd see exactly how windy it is, but definitely don't fly in wind like this. Especially not, you know, if you really like your quad. But I'm always out here doing dumb things, so on the YouTubes. We got all kinds of variables here. We got water, we got wind, we got sand, we got trees. Oh yeah, we navigated it back. We navigated it back. Let's see if we can get a shot of it flying here. I mean, it'll fight the wind. You know, we're fighting this wind. It's steady at my back here. So you always want to, if you're just starting out, typically you want to fly into the wind if you can, and then be super careful when you bring it back with the wind, because obviously you got the force of the wind bringing it back. And we're just able to catch ourselves there. And yeah, we're doing okay. I mean, we're doing okay. Let's see if we can hold a hover out by the water. So it's going into the wind sideways. So the Predator's got a little bit of power, but obviously you want to be super careful when you're, and we're getting pushed up by the wind here too. So we might have a prop or a motor higher than it should be too. Let's see if we can, there we go. I think this motor's up from our little mishap there with the rocks. So, okay, one more little quick flight, and I'm gonna end this one before I lose the Predator here. So let's see what we can do. A little bit of a funnel here. We're getting pushed around though. I think my foot just got wet too with the waves. That's a possibility. So steady wind, but the Predator's handling it. If I didn't have this water variable here, I would be less worried. But if I were to crash in the water, if I let it dry out, it would probably be fine. Unplug it, unplug your battery as soon as you possibly can. And, you know, you're probably gonna be okay. Keeping it close here. Almost hit that ladder. But anyway, see, it's kind of sideways there going into the wind. I don't know if you can see that with the sun behind it. But anyway, let's come in here for a little landing, a little handing. And there you go, guys. Quick flight today. Super windy coming from this direction. See, look at the prop spinning. That's just the wind. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Highly recommend the Predator. You can fly it in some wind, you can fly it in some adverse conditions. So check it out, linked in the description. And thanks for watching. Catch my latest videos every day at noon.